Here I'm going to show you how to make a 5-minute gift bag. I love to make beautifully wrapped gifts for the holidays, but then I realized people didn't really want to open them because they thought they were too pretty. I used to think gift bags were only for birthdays, but then I realized I could make a beautiful gift bag that can not only be great for Christmas, but be used. You will need plain gift bags, some ribbon, flowers, and accessories. You also need craft glue and a hot glue gun. Measure a piece of ribbon the length of the front of the gift bag and trim the ribbon. For this bag I use wired ribbon, but you could use either wired or non-wired. Glue the ribbon to the front of the gift bag with craft glue. I like to off-center the ribbon towards the left side of the bag. Press down and smooth out the ribbon to make sure it's secure. Grab a bunch of decorative flowers and remove one of the flowers. Cut off the plastic part that fits into the stem so the flower will lay flat on the bag. Add a generous amount of hot glue to the back of the flower and attach to the gift bag. I like to use gold or bronze metallic flowers because I think it looks so elegant. This bunch of flowers had decorative berries, so I'm using those to attach to the bottom of the flower. You can use any accent to add under the flowers. Sometimes I like to cut off leaves from the flower bunch and put them under the flower. I'm going to show you the way that I put tissue in a gift bag. Take 2 pieces of tissue paper and arrange them as shown. Fold the tissue paper in half so the pointed corners are showing. Fold each side into the middle. Then smooth it out with your hands. Grab the pointed bottom and twist it all together. Place the tissue in a bag for a beautiful gift bag. These gift bags are so pretty and easy to make. I like to make multiple ones ahead of time. You can use the same technique to make all different kinds of gift bags using ribbon, scrapbooking paper, or just things you have laying around. Sometimes I like to attach ornaments on there instead of a flower, or pieces of decorative wrapping paper. Not only are these gift bags beautiful, but they help ease the stress of gift wrapping during the holidays. Use the same technique to make a decorated gift envelope. Use a nice blank envelope. I bought a package of these from the craft store. Measure a piece of ribbon the length of the front of the envelope. Cut the ribbon to fit. Glue the ribbon to the front of the envelope with the craft glue. I like to use a clear, quick-drying craft glue that doesn't seep through the envelope. Place the ribbon on the envelope, more to the left side. My envelope is upside down, so it is on my left side. Press down and smooth out the ribbon to secure. Place a flower on the envelope to see if it's the right size. Trim the plastic stem off the flower so it lays flat on the envelope. Add hot glue to the back of the flower. Attach the flower to the top part of the ribbon, but remember mine is upside down so yours will look different. Hot glue decorative accents under the flower. These fit nicely under the petal so you can't see where it's attached. I also like to add a decorative leaf under the flower. I place it so part of the leaf is covering the envelope. It makes it look really pretty. Look how pretty this envelope is, and it was so easy to make. This decorated envelope would be perfect for a gift card. These can also be made ahead of time so they're ready to go when you need them. Here's how to make a 5-minute pillow box with things you may already have around your house, like ribbon, accents, and a paper towel tube. These are so pretty and so easy to make. Cut a paper towel tube the size you would like the pillow box. I like using paper towel tubes because they're so easy to work with for this project. I like how the paper towel roll has lines on it, makes it really easy to know where to cut. This is a perfect size to decorate. Push in each end of the open tube. This will form the pillow box shape. Fix the corners so both sides are connected. Repeat this process on the other side. Now you have a pillow box shape ready to decorate. I'm using wide green holiday ribbon for this design. Add hot glue to the edge of the ribbon to attach the tube. Place the ribbon edge on the tube near the end. Wrap it around the tube to measure and trim. Use craft glue on the back of the ribbon and fold around the tube. Fold in the edge of the ribbon. This will give it a nice clean look. And use hot glue to secure. There is just enough room on the tube to use another piece of ribbon. Secure the end with hot glue. Attach the tube, measure, and trim. Fold in the edge to give it a nice clean look. It's easier to make a folded edge when you use wired ribbon. Wrap the ribbon around the tube and secure. And attach the tube with hot glue. It looks really pretty, but we're not done yet. Add a smaller piece of ribbon to fill in the gap between the two pieces of ribbon. Measure around the tube and trim. I like to use a piece of ribbon that coordinates with the other ribbon. I had some green sparkly ribbon and I thought it was perfect. Attach the ribbon with hot glue. For my projects, I like to use hot glue and craft glue. I like to use the hot glue when I'm securing the ends. Now it's completely covered. It's really pretty. Use floral accents to decorate the front of the pillow box. Look through your holiday decorations. You may have things that you could use. Be creative and have fun with this. I like when no two pillow boxes are the same. I think this came out really elegant and beautiful. You can also easily make mini pillow boxes. Cut a small piece of paper tube for a mini pillow box. Push in each end of the open tube. This will form the pillow box shape. Wrap ribbon around the tube and glue on accents. I like this one. I made a snowflake design. It's easy to put a small gift in this pillow box. Just open up the end and close it, and seal each end with tape to secure the gift. I love these. These are so pretty. Look in your holiday decorations to see if there's pieces of things you can use to make these beautiful pillow boxes. These can be made ahead of time and perfect for small gifts. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye!